Well, thanks guys. They wanted somebody big, beefy and manly to review this truck, but there wasn't anyone available, so you got me. This is the 2017 Power Wagon.
I might only be 5 foot inches tall, so I look short next to lots of vehicles, and even more so with the Ram Power Wagon. This thing is big, beefy, and has no trouble taking on the mud and rocks that we took it over. One of the things that makes the Ram Power Wagon stand out over the competition is the fact that it comes with a standard worn winch. Nick Capper from Ram demonstrated the winch for us to show us how simple it was to use.
It means it has enough power to pull it off the ground and then some. So that's perfect for the situation where you find your buddy stuck in the mud and need to get him out, or you're out in the middle of nowhere by yourself and need to get back. It's a self-preservation device, and it's one of the features that make the Power Wagon unique.
The Power Wagon is already big. It's based on a 3/4 ton truck and not a half-ton truck like the Raptor. That means it can take a payload and tow over 10,000 pounds. Nick Capper told us the Power Wagon beats out the competition because of its features.
They don't have a locker up front, a locker in the rear, a locking transfer case. That means there's no differentiation left to right or front to rear. With the Power Wagon, all 4 tires spin at the same rate all the time, gripping and clawing at 33-inch meets with big lugs.
There is 1.8 million square miles of wild, uninhabited area in the USA, and the Power Wagon is the modern conqueror to tame that land.
Now, the Power Wagon starts around $47,000. If you want to know fuel economy, you probably shouldn't be buying a truck of this size. I'm Nick Miles.